everyone, I am back now. I promised you in an earlier video that I would show you my TN. I hadn't been doing, too much crafting before Christmas, but I have been having some fun decorating my TN. I haven't used a TN before. I've done Project Life, I've done junk journals, planners, but I haven't actually had a TN that I've kind of filled in, and I am having so much fun with this. Now this TN has got two books in here. One I haven't done anything in yet, but this one I've started. I want to put a cover on here and put something on there, but this is what I've been doing. Look at that. I've been having so much fun with my little photos. To start with, I was using a little Kodak, but the film was too expensive, so I then went over to my sprocket. I've now got a sprocket in both sizes, so these are just super cute for little photos of the kids, etc., as you will see. So this is I started this on the 3rd of October. I've still got so many more to fill in, but look at the gorgeous washi tape, and these are planner stickers, etc. And then this is a Project Life card, and I used my my old typewriter and typed, and then I put some little gemmers, as Franny would call them, and I put some gemmers on there. Now I remember this day so well because I had Franny and I said to her, what would you like to do? And we was in town, and she said, I'd love to have my nails done. I'll put it in here, I'll read it to you. So Franny came round to spend the day with me. We had lots of fun crafting, making a birthday card for Daddy, and we put lots of butterflies in the middle for a surprise. So she did punched out lots of butterflies, and we put them in the middle of the envelope. We then went for a Magic Donald's, because that's what she calls McDonald's, and then went into town. I said she could have a treat and asked her what she wanted to do. Her reply was that she wanted her nails doing. Lol, what a mini diva. And this is her. This is her crafting and making Daddy's card. Cheeky little monkey, isn't she gorgeous? And then this was her having her nails done. Isn't she just gorgeous? And there's more here. So this is her. Look at her cheeky little face. We also visited my favourite bookshop. We sat and read a story. Then Franny chose a Disney CD to play in the car and then take home. We played the CD in the car, but when we went to take the CD out, it got jammed in the CD player, and it's still there now. And that is so true. Even yesterday, which is now February, I was listening to Aladdin songs and Beauty and the Beast. I love it. I'm singing along. There is a picture of the CD, and it's stuck. And this is her. We was in the bookshop. Isn't it just gorgeous? And I've got my little gorgeous girls because they remind me of Franny and Jess. And then this is a day, the 25th of September. I met Kay and we went and had a coffee, and it was quite funny because she ordered a macchiato, I think it is, and it come in the tiniest little cup. So I thought, well, that would be great for Alice in Wonderland. So I put drink me, and I put little Alice in Wonderland. This is Franny eating her sandwich. And I put, is your name Alice? We decided to have a few hours out and about. We went to the scrap store and then went to the range for some lunch. Kay was not impressed with her coffee, and neither was Franny with her sandwich. Yes, Franny did not enjoy her sandwich. So I've just used little corners and stickers and made frames for the thing, and then just used Project Life card. I am having so much fun doing this. This day I took Joshy out, and we met my best friend Tracy, and this is her grandson, and Bentley, so we had a lot of fun. So this is, we went to a place called Rugrats and Half Pints, and that's like Joshy and Bentley. And Tracy fell off the back of the go-karts and fell on her bottom. So we have a funny video. And there's, so this was 13th of August. And there's gorgeous Joshua, and he loves all things to do with planets and stars and that. So, and then this day, oh, there's Mr. Bimbles. Oh, Saturday the 19th of October, Josh and Nanny had a lovely day out. First we went to the vets for Bing, and we spent some time looking at the rabbits and hamsters. Josh even made a funny video and insisted we showed a member of staff. So he did this funny like fast forwarded sort of video, and he wanted to show a member of staff. So this is him in the vets and Mr. Bing at home. And those are, right, pack it in. Those are the cute little hamsters that he loved. We then went to B&M, where he chose some dino brick kits as his treat. And we came back home, where he spent 2 hours building his figure. He was so adorable, dancing and building and singing all at the same time. He sure knows how to work Alexa. See, this is why these are good, because you forget those little things. And he was like, Alexa, play da-da-da, Alexa, play da-da-da. And he was dancing and doing these bricks at the same time. He's just adorable. Oh, this was Charming's birthday. So we had a wonderful day. My gorgeous husband's birthday, spent retail shopping at his favourite shop, which is Lacoste. So I always take a seat and let him get on with it. It was raining, but we still had an amazing day. So this is him with his shopping bags. We then had a pasty for lunch, so I kept the little something off the bag. It was a lovely, yummy Cornish pasty. And then we went to cake. No, we didn't. This is a cake. I didn't make it. No, I didn't make it. So this is him with his cake. Bless him. He wasn't too happy with his candles though. I left a page there because I meant to put something else in there. Oh, this was a day. I had Franny and Jess, and I don't know if you remember, I put a funny video up of the girls, and they were making me use the app Snapchat, and these are some photos that we took. Don't they just look adorable? And I love this. I just want to spend the rest of my life laughing. And behind there is little Franny saying boo. We had so much fun being silly, flipping cute. We also made little videos and laughed so much. Always cute. What an amazing fun afternoon with Jess and Franny. And can I look like this? I'm cute sometimes. I loved it. Okay, so this day took Josh to the library because he wanted to go to the library, because he went with the school and they wouldn't let him have a library card. So I promised him that I would take him. It was a funny story actually. When he went to the library with the kids from the school, the librarian there mistook Josh for another child, and they wouldn't let him have a library card because the mother of the child who they thought he was had outstanding books from like 3-4 years ago. So they wouldn't let him. So we got told off and we didn't even do anything. Mistaken identity. How rude. Kay went down there and wasn't very happy. And then Josh was so happy that he got his first library card. Look. He has the face of an angel. There was drama in the library. So Kay came with all the other kids and met us there to sort out the librarian. She was not happy. So there's Franny and then Linky and Jess. I don't get many pictures of Link because he's always out with his mates now, because he's now 13. He turned 13 last week. Yeah, right, so this was the 2nd of November, and I'm not telling you what I've used in all these. They're just photos and then little stickers, and like happy planner stickers and that. This one was the 2nd of November, and Kay has got me really totally into Mrs. Hinch. So I had been sorting out my drawers, my messy drawers, and I just put, I have been totally Hinch, loving sorting the house out. Kay has totally inspired me. My writing is shocking, by the way. And I've just used washi tape around there. And on here, 3rd of November, amazing Sunday lunch and Tony's best ever cheesecake, yum. So we went out for lunch, for Sunday lunch, and we ate way too much. We went to Sally Puss's restaurant. Our tummies hurt. Yes, we was in a lot of pain afterwards. And these are just like little die cuts and nice stickers. This day, oh, we went for breakfast, me and Kay and Franny. No, just me and Kay. Me and Kay and Franny. So 5th of November, maple syrup pancakes and bacon for breakfast at Giraffe. Yummy. Was trying to get a really nice photo, and it took lots of photos for me to get one where I didn't look like I had black eyes, as it was 9 o'clock in the morning. It took us several shots, but we got there in the end. Love this. And then I had this mermaid blanket which I gave to Fran, and this is her on the floor. When I grow up I want to be a mermaid. And I bought the kids some, stop it, old-fashioned Christmas stockings with their names on, and Kay was like getting all excited about Christmas. Kay and Joey in that element. They love Christmas. Kay bought the kids some hats and gloves, so Franny was loving her hat and gloves. So I just love cutting out the photos and putting them on the pages. How adorable. This day I had Jess. So this was the 9th of November. Jess renamed Louie, and also loving the poncho girls. I've got a poncho, and Jess had her poncho, and she wanted this I don't know what it was, surprise sort of thing, and all it had in it was a little duck. £7.50 for a duck. I was like, what? Yes, she calls him the Ginger Ninja. So I thought that was really funny. And we had Costa, so she had mac and cheese, and we sat and ate it in the car. It rained so much that we ate lunch in the car, us girlies having fun. Just gorgeous. Do you know what? I love this because there's so many brilliant memories. This was the 10th of November. We had Sunday lunch around Kay's. But today we went for Sunday lunch at the Mayor's. What an amazing meal. Kay is such a good cook, better than going out to eat. Kay also cooked a delicious chocolate pudding and made us late, as Tony wouldn't leave until he'd had some. It was quite amusing. It was lovely spending time with them all, but it goes too fast. Oh, a picture of Lynx. For a change. Look at that Sunday dinner. Oh my goodness me. This is Daisy. This is Daisy. She's so gorgeous and has got very round lol. She's coming to stay with the boys soon. This was us having our Sunday out lunch and the decorations that Kay had on the table. Oh, this was the run up to Christmas. This is before we went away, and I treated them all to matching pajamas that just said the Christmas crew. Matching pajamas, it had to be done, so we all had matching pajamas. Look, every weekend has a story. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who's gathered around it. Joey putting up the Christmas tree. He just loves Christmas. And then the last page is more of us in our Christmas pajamas. You're a bit previous, Mr. Wise. Oh, under the mistletoe. There was no mistletoe. Today is the best day. What a lovely afternoon. Love my family. I'm so lucky. And that's us all having some fun. But it just goes to show you what you can do with a few stickers, a little bit of imagination, some washi tape. I love cutting out the photos, and this is, like I said, my oh my gosh, HP sprocket. I've got two sizes. I think one is that size and one is a bit bigger. I don't know if I've put any of the bigger ones in here yet, but I have lots more to print out. So that's what I've been doing with my with my TN, and I just love it, using bling and stickers. And like I said, look, I've only been not even halfway through yet, and I have lots more to catch up with, because this was before we went away actually, so I have lots more. So I hope this inspired you to go and get a TN and have some fun. And it's really super easy. I would sit while I was watching the telly with just a few bits in a little basket, some washi tape and some stickers and some scissors and glue, and that's all you need. So I will definitely be doing more of the TN. I need to, when I was doing it near enough every time we did something, and I'm so behind with everything, so I'm going to try and catch up, but we'll get there in the end. So I hope you've enjoyed this show and tell, and I hope this will inspire you to go and get a TN. You can get them pretty cheap actually. I mean, this one was super inexpensive. I think it was about £5, so they're not dear. And the refills, well, I got some yesterday from Hobbycraft, £2 for 2. Excuse me. So they're not bad at all. Right, it is late, it's about 7:30 at night, so I'm going to go and spend some time with my husband, and I shall see you all tomorrow. So take care for now. Bye.